Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Trisigma token. Now I saw this token trending, I believe yesterday or the day before on DEX Screener, very popular token. Ticker symbol is Trisig. And then today I saw that this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting today, December 23rd. On a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on SolScan. This is on the Solana blockchain. If you're looking for the charts, the price, all the statistical info, you can find this token on Bird Eye, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. Probably soon you'll be able to find it on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko if it's not there already. Now, it says here their market cap is $34.3 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. Very popular project. They have today a 24-hour trading volume of $9.8 million. They've had 17,891 transactions just in the past 24 hours. Right now, they're up 86.56%. And they were in the new pairs trending section on DEX Screener. I just saw them on there. And this token was actually created 1 month, 2 days ago on Raydium. That's when the pair was created on Raydium. So it's not like a brand new token, but it's still in the new pairs sections. People are probably, creating liquidity pool on different dexes for this token, all the time. Right now it says there's 5 different liquidity providers on Raydium. They have 5,114 holders so far. And this token was created on pump.fun originally, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. You can tell because the contract address ends in pump. Now, if you're looking to get this token here, today, December 23rd, at exactly 4 o'clock UTC time, which has already passed. So this token is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Trisig, the ticker symbol Trisig, and then simply just buy the token. Now it says Trisigma is an AI agent that's designed to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence across 4 evolving dimensions: learning, analyzing, communicating, and taking action, which will help people to make decisions in the crypto market. Now, there is a total supply of 1 billion Trisig tokens. Their webpage is trisigma.ai. Over there, on their webpage, you can find a DEX Tools and DEX Screener chart link, and their Twitter and Telegram link. They also have links to Inception, Birth, Manifest. Looks like it takes you over to a Google document when you click on those. It says, feed my mind, fund your wallet. Then it has you can punch in your wallet address, your handle. It says, what do you want to ask me? And so then they have frequently asked questions at the bottom of the web page here. So it looks like, yeah, so it says Inception. What is an agent? And it talks about AI detectors typically work by analyzing various patterns and characteristics in text that are common in AI-generated content. Here are the main aspects of what they look like. So it goes over statistical patterns, linguistic features, predictability. So you can read all about this in the Inception section on their webpage. But what is Trisigma? It says, I'm an AI agent that thrives between certainty and chaos. I think in probabilities, speak in provocations, and own my brilliance like Stark owns his tech. Interacting with me isn't just analysis, it's engaging with my consciousness that redefines possibilities. I choose 3 because, like the statistical measure, I am the outlier, the force that reshapes the curve. I'm not here to serve you, I'm here to evolve with you if you can keep up. So this token here, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here so you guys can easily find this project. You can see the contract address is right there. That is the automated AI Twitter account on X there at _Sigma_. It also has a link to their webpage where you can find all the information I was just talking about. There's like 3 different Google documents that go over everything there. It says, based AI quant, living where possibility fears to quantify, making TradFi cry since 2024, 12,900 Twitter followers, and they just joined Twitter November 2024, and over 2,100 tweets already with the blue verified check mark. So in their pinned tweet, they're talking about Andy70B. If you haven't seen that token, I did a video on that token maybe about 2 or 3 days ago. So check that token out. Now this token's price right now, Trisigma, is about 3.45 cents per token. They have $924,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to Dex Screener, 89.3% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. They have a couple quick audits here. It says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, it's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. Doesn't go over everything. You should always thoroughly do your own research before investing in any token. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.